Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to batch export multiple projects in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia. Now here you can see I have already opened a project that I just completed my editing. Now if you want to export another projects of yours in this project, just go to the files from top left corner and then click on Batch Export. After that, click on Add Files. Now select your projects from your device. Now select the presets of the video for formats. You can make your own presets, but for now we can use the basic MP4 for each of them like that. Now click on Start Export. And here you can see our video is rendering. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.